Assalamu alaikum. Today we are here for a presentation. Our topic is process models of SDLC, and we are about to discuss a comprehensive overview of this topic. So I am Shazidul Haque, and last 4 digit of my ID is 1404. So at first we have to know what is SDLC before deep diving into this topic. So SDLC refers to the software development life cycle. SDLC is a systematic and disciplined approach for building a software. Software development team always aim for ensuring the quality and correctness of this product from the initial stage to the further deployment and maintenance. So in SDLC stage, we have some phases we have to go through. So first, we have to plan for something, we have to analyze, we have to design, and we have to implement this design and testing and integration for this for the module. If we differentiate these phases into module, we have to integrate that and then further go for maintenance and support. The industry, in this industry, there are several models actually proposed later. The first model was proposed waterfall models. It is a linear model that works actually in linear approach. The concept of this model is that it will be sequential and each phases must be completed before the next begins. Such as if we want to analyze something, then we have to complete requirements and gathering requirements, and then we can analyze that requirement. Then same that if we want to design that requirements, we have to complete the requirements analysis and design. So it is actually named by waterfall because it is sliding like a water. So it is though it is a linear approach. So there are some advantages and disadvantages of waterfall model, such as it is well documented and it is possibly happens that arbitration of issues because we are collecting or we are gathering the requirements first, so we can identify what are the issues in this model or in this requirement. We can fix it later. The only disadvantage of this model is it is rigid. We cannot go from here to here. If we are developing a project through this model, we cannot actually back calculate or back development to its previous process, because in this step we already said that each phase must be completed before the next. So another proposed process model was incremental model, that is building incrementally. Concept of this model was combines the elements of waterfall model that we have seen previously. Waterfall model and apply it in an iterative fashion. What is an iterative fashion? It is something like the iteration one by one. Here is an iteration, here is an iteration, here is an iteration. Collectively, it is known as increment of this of a development. So what will be the iteration focus here? At first, the developers select the core product and then they deliver the core product first, and then they refine the features of the product by using the evaluation of user. So by gathering the evaluation of user, what is called by feedback, they actually refine the features later in this through this model process model. Now I would like to invite my next step Afiq Shahriar for further discussion.
Assalamualaikum, I am Afiq Shahriar. Last 4 digits of my ID is 1028. My previous teammate Shazidul has already discussed about waterfall model and incremental model. Now I would like to discuss about the RAD model, which is Rapid Application Development Model, which is we can say the faster application of waterfall model. The core concept of this is emphasize short development cycle. It can be 60 days to 90 days. The main purpose of this, we divide the project in some RAD sector and develop the sectors individually. So this is a high speed adoption for waterfall model, as I already told you. This is each major function handled by separate RAD team and then integrated to form a. So here you can see this is a whole project. We have divided the project in some RAD models. That each RAD team will develop each sector, and last you will add the whole as now. So these are the advantages of red model, but there has also some disadvantage of red model that if all the teams are not committed as well, the project can fail. Also, if we don't know the requirements earlier before dividing the red models, we will have some problem to next phase of this development. Next slide, please. The next is spiral model, that is embracing risk management model. The core concept of this is a risk-driven process. Model combine waterfall and incremental. Ideal for large and complex projects. Each cycle focuses on defining objectives, assessing risk, and developing a plan. In the spiral model has 4 quadrants per cycle. That one is objective setting. Here we will set the objectives for this spiral. Then is risk assessment and reduction. We will focus on the risk assessment and how can we reduce that thing. And next is development and validation. We will develop the what we have planned for, and after that we will plan what can we do in our next spiral. As it is a spiral model, we will perform per spiral, and then we will think of implementing the model. Now I would like to invite my next teammate Tisha to process the further models. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. This is Tabassum, Mashiat, Tisha, and the last 4 digit of my student ID is 1347. My presentation topic is the agile model, embracing change and collaboration. Principal concept, an umbrella term for iterative and incremental development, prioritizing flexibility, collaboration, and continuous customer satisfaction. Agile manifesto principles. Number 1, individuals and interactions over process and tools. Number 2, working software over comprehensive documentation. Number 3, customer collaboration over contract negotiation. And number 4, responding to change over following a plan. Agile framework, Scrum, iterative agile process, concept, an iterative and incremental framework for managing complex product development through short fixed plan, which is called sprints. Here is a structure of sprint. Hero, product owner, who defines and prioritizes features. Then Scrum Master, who facilitates and process and removes impediments. And development team, who self-organizing and cross-functional. And that's all from me. Thank you.